India's largest rail tunnel boring machine has officially begun excavation for the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train project, marking a major milestone in the country's first high-speed rail corridor. Launched from Vikhroli on July 5, 2026, the massive machine will construct a 6-kilometer underground tunnel towards the Mumbai bullet train station at Bandra Kurla complex. In a significant step towards enhancing power transmission reliability in India's eastern region, REC Power Development and Consultancy Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of REC Limited, has issued a request for proposal under the tariff-based competitive bidding route for the ERES 47, Nevada to Durgapur to Jeerat New, 765 kV corridor. Steel Authority of India Limited has achieved a new operational milestone after Hot Strip Mill 2, HSM2, at its Rourkela steel plant, recorded its highest ever monthly coil rolling performance in June 2026. The mill rolled 10,759 hot rolled HR coils, surpassing the previous record of 10,713 HR coils set in October 2025. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Corporate, HSE, Health, Safety and Environment, has been honored as a platinum winner of the Global Safety Innovation Award 2026 by the Energy and Environment Foundation at the Global Safety Awards 2026 on July 2, 2026. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has embarked on a three-nation visit to Indonesia, Australia and New Zealand from July 6 to July 11, 2026, with a focus on strengthening strategic partnerships, boosting trade and investment, expanding defense cooperation, and enhancing people-to-people ties. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited has invited limited bids for waterproofing treatment of the terraces at its residential quarters in Jammu. The tender, issued through the Praneeth e-tendering portal, covers civil maintenance works including terrace waterproofing, crack repairs, pressure washing, and expansion joint treatment. Following the landmark dedication of the HPCL Rajasthan Refinery Limited to the nation by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, HRRL organized a massive mega plantation drive on July 4, 2026. This initiative marks a major step forward in the company's ongoing commitment to ecological conservation, sustainable development, and environmental sustainability. In a significant advancement for vocational training and skill development, NMDCITI, Bhansi, has been officially awarded a prestigious 5-star rating for the academic session 2026-27. The top-tier recognition was conferred by the Directorate General of Training under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Government of India, following an evaluation under the data-driven grading. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank recently launched its mutual fund distribution services, marking a significant milestone in the bank's journey towards offering comprehensive banking solutions. This offering is designed to provide customers with a seamless and digitally enabled investment experience that is supported by curated fund options, simplified onboarding processes, along with in-depth analytics for better financial planning. MMTC Limited has informed the stock exchanges that it received an update from its registrar and transfer agent regarding relodged transfer requests for physical shares submitted under the special window introduced by SEBI. The disclosure, filed under the applicable SEBI circular dated January 30, 2026, stated that 458 requests for transfer cum demat of physical shares were relodged during June 2026.